Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy your app with Microsoft Azure, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by setting up your Microsoft Azure account. Visit the Microsoft Azure website. Select the Start Free option to create your account. Fill in the necessary details, including email and payment information. Once your account is active, log into the Azure portal. Navigate to the Azure dashboard. Select Create a Resource from the left-hand menu. Choose the type of application you want to deploy, such as web app or virtual machine. If you're deploying a web app, select Web Apps. Enter the details for your app, including subscription, resource group, and app name. Choose the runtime stack that matches your application's technology. Select the region for hosting your app, ideally close to your target users. Review the pricing tier options and select one that fits your budget and needs. Click Review plus Create. Make sure all the details are correct, then click Create to deploy your app. Wait for the deployment to complete, which may take a few minutes. Once deployment is finished, navigate to the newly created resource. You'll find the application's URL in the resource overview. Test your application by entering the URL in your web browser. If your application requires a database, go back to Create a Resource. Search for and select a suitable database service, like Azure SQL Database. Configure the database settings, including pricing tier and performance options. After creating the database, link it to your application via the application settings. Use connection strings to connect your app to the database. Deploy your application code using Azure DevOps or via FTP. For Azure DevOps, set up a CI/CD pipeline to automate builds and deployments. Ensure that your app is configured to use the production environment settings. Once your code is deployed, monitor the application using Azure Monitor. Set up alerts for any performance issues or errors. Use Azure Application Insights to track user interactions and performance metrics. Regularly update and maintain your application for optimal performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.